Good morning, children. Today we are going to write the classwork. We have finished the lesson, teaching lesson successfully. No? Now we are going to start writing the classwork. Okay. Now take a fresh page, draw double margin, and copy down the lesson heading. So what is our lesson number? Number 2. The last stone carver. Okay, I think you don't have any problem with the spelling here. It is clear only. THE, the LAST, last, STONE, stone, CARVER, carver. Okay, now after that, first Roman, meanings. MEANINGS, meanings. Even underline. First one, glanced. GLANCED, glanced, equal to looked quickly. LOOKED, looked. See, children, if you have any difficulty in understanding the letters, whether it is right or wrong, whether K or R, like that and all, don't feel. I am showing the writings and as well as I am spelling. Okay, I am pronouncing and also I am uttering the spelling of the words also. So you cannot get any problem in writing. Looked, LOOKED, looked. Understand? So this one is KE. So now split letters I have written. Okay. Now LOOKED. Quickly, QUICKLY. This is K only. So when you write cursive writing, you know, children, very well. If you write cursive writing, this K will be like this only. Okay, to make you understand, I am striking and writing, but it is not wrong. It is written correct only. Okay, ma? So looked quickly. Next, second one, sagged. SAGGED, sagged. For that, SUNK. This is K only. To make you understand, I am writing it separately. That's all. Okay. Next, severe. Serene. So I uttered a wrong pronunciation. Serene. SERENE. Okay, ma? I will strike out and write it on the top so that you can understand. SERENE. Serene. Okay, ma? So here, calm. CALM, calm. Next, shocked. SHOCKED. Now you could have understand this letter is K. This particular letter is K. Understand? Shocked. 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 Stunned. 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 Next, blush. 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 Shyness. 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 Next, sixth one, drenched. 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 Wet. 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 Next, second Roman, you can underline, draw a line, this one. After finishing, you are leaving one line, no? So you can draw a line with the pencil, even though there is a line already printed. If you draw an additional line with pencil and scale, it will be looking nice. Next, second Roman, opposites. This is O, children. Style, that's all. O only. OPPOSITES, opposites. I am uttering spelling also, children. Whenever you get any doubt, you can turn on the video with the voice, and you can get the proper spelling. Okay. Next, flung, F-L-U-N-G. This is capital letter F. F-L-U-N-G, flung. Opposite. So into mark means opposite only, no? Held, H-E-L-D, held. Clear, C-L-E-A-R, clear. Unclear, U-N-C-L-E-A-R, unclear. Increasing, third one, increasing, I-N-C-R-E-A-S-I-N-G, increasing. Waning, W-A-N-I-N-G, waning. Fourth one, confidence, C-O-N-F-I, this is I children, not E. So while writing cursive writing, so this type of font style will be coming. Okay, you don't get misguided. Okay, so confidence, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C-E, confidence. This is into mark only. For opposites we mention, no, that mark only. Distrust, D-I-S-T-R-U-S-T, distrust. Next, fifth one, drenched, D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D, drenched, that is H. This is H. Okay, children? Drenched. D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D, drenched. Dried, D-R-I-E-D, dried. Next, sixth one, admire, A-D-M-I-R-E, admire. Hate, H-A-T, hate. After that, leave one line, underline that with a pencil and scale. Next, third Roman, answer the following. Write the heading and underline it. Answer the following, A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer, T-H-E, the following, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. Then leave one line and write a first question. Question number 1. How did the old man work on the statue? H-O-W, how. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. T-H-E, the. O-L-D, old. M-A-N, man. W-O-R-K, work. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. S-T-A-T-U-E, statue. Okay, then this is question mark. Now leave one line and write a answer. H-E, he. W-O-R-K-E-D, worked. T-I-R-E-L-E-S-S-L-Y, tirelessly. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. S-T-A-T-U-E, statue. He worked tirelessly on the statue. First question finished with its answer. Next, question number 2. When did Salim join? This ED should not come. Okay, children? Okay. J-O-I-N, join. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. O-L-D, old. M-A-N, man. Question mark. Now Salim, S capital letter. S-A-L-I-M, Salim. J-O-I-N-E-D, joined. Now this E-D should come. Okay. J-O-I-N-E-D, joined. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. O-L-D, old. M-A-N, man. F-I-V-E, 5. Y-E-A-R-S, years. AGO, ego. Then leave one line, draw a margin. Start with the third question. WHAT what? WAS was. THE the. Name. Small letter N should come here. Name of his son. What was the name of his son? Question mark. NAME name. OF of. HIS his. SON son. Question mark. Now HIS his. SONS. SON after you see one small marking is there, that is apostrophe mark. Okay. SON apostrophe S. Sons. Name NAME name. WAS was Gopal. Here why capital letter is coming? It is name. Understand? So capital GOPAL Gopal. Then leave one line, draw the margin. And fourth question. WHAT what? DID did. Salim. S capital letter SALIM Salim. WANT want. TO2. BECOME become. Question mark. Now answer. Salim SALIM Salim. WANTED wanted. TO2 BECOME become. A STONE stone. CARVER carver. That's all the answer. Draw a margin and write a fifth question. WHO who. WAS was. CHISELLING chiseling. THE the. Statue. STATUE statue. Question mark. Now Salim. SALIM Salim. WAS was. Chiseling. CHISELLING chiseling. THE the. STATUE statue. Full stop. Now the question and answers are completed. Next, poem. We will teach you. Okay. Number 2, poem. Wandering singers. You can draw double margin. WANDERING. RING. Wandering. SINGERS. Singers. Draw a double margin. And first Roman you write excerpts. 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 Underline. Now put number 1 and what is this marking? Quotation mark. Start with the quotation mark and write the lines. WHERE where. THE the. VOICE voice. OF of. THE the. WIND wind. CALLS calls. OUR our. WANDERING wandering. FEET feet. So this first line. Next line. Through. THROUGH through. Echoing. 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 This wrong one. I have striked out with the red mark. Don't write. Echoing. FOREST forest. AND and. ECHOING echoing. STREET street. Close the quotation mark or inverted commas. Now small letter A. Right? Small letter A and put a bracket. WHOSE, whose. WANDERING, wandering. FEET, feet. IS is. REFERRED, referred. HERE, here. Put question mark. For that answer, the THE, the band, 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 OF, of, FOLK, K, this one, remember, K, FOLK, folk, SINGERS, singers. Now leave one line, write B and close with the bracket. WHERE, where. DO, do. THEY, they. WANDER, wander. Put question mark. Answer, EVERY, every. WHERE, where, everywhere. That is the answer. Next. Second one, put number 2, start with inverted commas. WITH, with. LUTES, lutes. IN, OUR, our. HANDS, hands. EVER, ever. Then hyphen. Singing, SINGING, singing. Note down, children, I repeat, SINGING, singing. WEVROAM, Rome. So this line is written wrongly. Okay, see this one line alone for this. So close the inverted commas. Now, as usual, small letter A, bracket, what, 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 DOES, does. Sorry, I made it wrong here. DOES, does not. DO, do. Understand, children? It is striked already. DO, do. THEY, they. HAVE, have. INN. THEIR, there. HANDS, hands. Put question mark. Now the answer, A. This is capital letter A. Flute, FLUTE, flute. This is small letter F, LUTE, flute. Next B, WHO, who. DOES, does. Then inverted commas, WEV, and then close that inverted commas. Refer, REFER, refer. TO2, question mark. Answer, BAND, band. OF, of. FOLK, folk. SINGERS, singers. Next, draw the margin. Third one, start with the quotation mark or inverted commas. OUR, our. LAYS, lace. ARER. OF, of. CITIES, cities. WHOSE, whose. Hyphen. LUSTURE, lustre. INN. SHED, shed. Next, THE, the. LAUGHTER, laughter. AND, and. BEAUTY, beauty. Hyphen. OF, of. WOMEN, woman. Close the inverted commas. Now question A. WHAT, what. IS, is. MEANT, meant. BY, by. Start with the inverted commas. LAYS, lace, and close the inverted commas. Lace. Okay. Then question mark. Now answer for this. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. This is the answer. Next B. A-B-O-U-T, about. W-H-A-T, what. D-I-D, did. T-H-E-Y, they. S-I-N-G, sing, question mark. Answer. T-H-E, the. B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. O-F, of. W-O-M-E-N, not A. W-O-M-E-N, woman. Now, draw the margin. Next, fourth one. Start inverted commas. W-H-A-T, what. H-O-P-E, hope. S-H-A-L-L, shall. W-E-V. G-A-T-H-E-R, gather. Hyphen. W-H-A-T, what. D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams. S-H-A-L-L, shall. W-E-V. S-O-W, so, question mark. This totally one line only it should be written. If you don't have place, you can adjust here. Okay. Next, second line. W-H-E-R-E, where. T-H-E, the. W-I-N-D, wind. C-A-L-L-S, calls. O-U-R, our. F-O-O-T, foot. S-T-E-P-S, steps. W-I-L-L, will. G-O, go. Close the inverted commas. Now question A. D-O, do. T-H-E-Y, they. H-A-V-E, have. A-N-Y, any. D-R-E-A-M-S, dreams. Question mark. Answer for that. N-O, no. Question B. Where. W-H-E-R-E, where. D-O, do. T-H-E-Y, they. G-O, go. Question mark. Answer. W-H-E-R-E, where. T-H-E, the. W-I-N-D, wind. C-A-L-L-S, calls. Full stop. Draw the margin. Okay. So total 4 excerpts. That's all, children. You can write it without any spelling mistakes and send the notebooks whenever we ask you to send it to the office. Okay, children. Now homework. Meanings and opposites we have written now. That 4 times. You have to write and post it in the group. Okay, children. Thank you.